what's all this?
Oh, hey. We just registered for doTERRA convention and we got the rest of our team members' bags, and I'm like super excited. I can't believe convention week is here. Okay, this is so exciting. So as you saw, we already picked up our backpacks and everything for doTERRA convention, but tomorrow is the big start day. So a lot of our team members come in tomorrow, but we were like so excited to register and stuff, we went ahead and picked everything up. So these were the backpacks that we got, and it was so cool because this year they had 2 different styles, which was like really fun. But my favorite part is on the inside. It has like this hidden pocket for your oils, which is super cool. But inside the backpacks, it had journals, which is fun because they're like 3 little notebooks. And then it had the schedule, but then I was cracking up because I didn't know this was gonna happen. But check this out. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. There it is.
No way.
It's us.
How awesome.
Isn't that awesome? Our first time being in a magazine. My mom would be so proud. And I guess I should show you guys the backpack too that I picked out. So we thought it would be fun to get one of each of them, but I was cracking up because the buttons actually work. I thought they would just be cosmetic, but they're just really cute bags. So I'm so excited for convention tomorrow. I'm just like ready for it to start already. We got the bunk bed room all ready for our guests coming, and we have their doTERRA backpacks, registration, and a little goodie bag. All right, Kelsey, Krista, Amy, what's tonight? It's Gala night! Oh, here's Heidi and her husband, Evan. Jake and Chris are on their way.
Yes, can't wait. We're gonna party hard.
Yeah. This is the part I've been most excited for about Gala, is a limited edition oil. And dinner looks pretty tasty so far. Oh my, dinner just came out. It is steak and salmon, potatoes. This looks like a pile of yum. We got Jay, Kelsey, Krista, Heidi, Evan, Cherie, Jared, and our 2 new friends. This is so fun. We didn't realize the dinner is cooked with essential oils, which is like so fun. We just did the most exciting thing ever.
We got our kids.
Woo! We're so excited. Everyone's got their kids. We all couldn't resist getting 2. Oh my. I can't wait to open these babies up.
Look how fun this is.
So something you guys might not know about me is I grew up on a playground. Like, that's what my dad did for a living, was sell playgrounds. So this is pretty awesome. Bringing back the good old memories.
What's inside?
It's me! Surprise! Hey guys, it's me fun. We're gonna go walk across the stage.
So exciting. Yeah! Where's our friends?
So this is amazing.
Give me a kiss. Don't throw them out. This is awesome.
Ready? Go.
Looks great.
Yum. Chris, the master smoker.
Nice.
These girls are crazy. Awesome. Awesome job. There goes Amy. She's pointing her nose. Point your nose. That was awesome.
Show us how it's done. You got it. Show us how it's done. Here comes Jared. Woo, woo, woo. There's Jake. Woo. There's Chris. He's going. Woo.
The doTERRA 10th Anniversary Dream Convention performer. Your fever dream, catch a feel, getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel a feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's blooding open. It's a picture of a puppet and your mind devotion. Something breaking at the brick of everyone. It's all and all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go? Where it's coming in all across the line. Where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes through, it's taking over you. Come on! I just want to say that what you guys are doing at doTERRA, and I've learned a lot about this company, I'm just so inspired by it. I love the way you give back, and I love the way you have a business model where it's got to be good for everyone, right down to the farmer, right through the consumer. It's something I believe in, and I love the theme of these 3 days, to dream big. When I was a little kid, I dreamt big. To be honest, it kind of came out even a little bigger than I was dreaming, I'm going to be honest with you. But I dreamt of being in movies. I dreamt of being a rock star. I dreamt of being in movie musicals. I grew up watching movie musicals, and when The Greatest Showman happened, and it was not easy to get going, it was truly a dream come true. And I have to especially thank Utah, because unlike almost every other film in the history of film, one of the most watched places of The Greatest Showman was this state, Utah. I mean,
is your hair real in that? No. Okay. I gotta tell you, it was extensions. I just really feel for all the women in the audience who go through with extensions. It's just a lot of work. And when you wake up the next morning early for work, and your wife, as you're saying goodbye, looks at your pillow and there's an extension falling out, it's not sexy. It doesn't work. It's really hard. Giving is not about money. Money is another form of energy. She always says it's a form of energy, and you can use energy whichever way you like. Like we wake up every single day with God-given energy and God-given heart, and you can sit on the couch all day if you want. You can do whatever you want. You can use that energy, and money is the same thing. Time is valuable. You can always give, even if it's just a smile, even if it is seeing someone on the street, you buy them a meal. There's always a way to give, and what happens is that generosity just seems to grow. And I'm really proud to be part of movies like The Greatest Showman and that song This Is Me, which is just saying be proud of who you are. What makes you different makes you special. And I'm sure there's some people here today, or people, you know, who are watching, who are starting off, who have a passion and a fire in their gut, and they feel like, this is me. job, this company, what I'm doing now feels right. I know I'm on the right path. And some people may be saying, but that's stupid, you went to college, you went to med school, and what are you doing? I got my first job as an actor when I was 26. I didn't believe I had the ability, I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do it, but I never ever stopped in the back of my head dreaming that one day it'd become true. So I understand people might say, oh well, you know, you've made it, you're successful now. For many, many years I wasn't, but all along I loved it. And I would put in 15, 16 hours a day, every day, because I loved it. I never missed a day at drama school. I never missed, so I know you know this, but no matter where you're at, dream big, dream as big as you can possibly dream. Because if you believe in that dream, it will come true, I promise you it will come true.
Right here. I think I'm on this other page.
I feel like convention barfed all over my floor, but I guess that's a really good thing. We've had a lot of fun.